Very good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss in D block element very important as well as very easiest extraction, namely extraction of zinc. Extraction of zinc. Okay, what are the ores of zinc? Zinc, what is the symbol? Is at N. Atomic number 30, isn't it? Okay. Ores. The ores of zinc are zinc blend, calamine, and zincite. These are the ores of zinc. What's the formula for zinc blend? Zinc blend means Z10S. Zinc blend formula, zinc blend. Calamine, zinc carbonate. Zincite, Z10O. These are the ores. Even though the zinc is profitably extracted from its sulfide ore, namely zinc blend. So what is T4 of zinc? T4 of zinc is what? Zinc blend. That means Z10S. Z10S. So what's next method after first this is the ore means zinc blend is the C4 of zinc. Afterwards concentration method, that means extraction of zinc from zinc blend. First process namely what? Concentration. How to concentrate the sulfide ore? So sulfide ore means which method is the suitable method to concentrate the ore? Froth flotation method is the suitable process. For all sulfide ore, which method you can use for concentration? Froth flotation method. So, the powdered ore is concentrated by which method? Froth flotation process. Okay. Okay. Concentration over. The powdered ore is concentrated by froth flotation process. After the concentration, what they are going to do? Roasting. What do you mean roasting? The concentrated ore is roast with air. Roast with air. What is our concentrated ore is zinc blend? So that Z10S roasted with air at 1200 Kelvin. 1200 Kelvin. That time during roasting, the zinc blend become a zinc oxide plus SO2. How to balance? Okay. One zinc, one sulfur, three oxygen, but here only two oxygen. So put three over here, 3 2s are 6 will come. 3 2s are 6 mean if we put over here 2, 2 plus 2, 4 only will come. 2 2 6, 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur, 2 zinc. See now, 2 zinc, 2 zinc, 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur, 3 2s are 6 oxygen, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6 oxygen, balance to 1. So during roasting, Z10S become a Z10O. We need only zinc, not zinc oxide. So you have to remove this oxygen. The removal of oxygen nothing but the process named as the reduction reaction. So then the next process, namely reduction. What? Zinc oxide reduced with coke, nothing but carbon at 1673 Kelvin become a zinc and carbon monoxide. Using zinc and carbon monoxide self-balanced equation. Even though this zinc is not a pure one, anyway, then after usual method, they are going to purify. That is known as electrolytic refining method. Nothing but purification. How to purify? Usually, For electrolytic refining mean we will take anode, cathode and electrolyte. Okay. Anode mean what? Which metal will take as usually an anode? You have to remember anode mud. Anode mud mean all the impurities are settled down below the anode, that named as anode mud. So that always impure metal will be taken where? In the anode. So anode is impure zinc rod, cathode is pure zinc rod, whatever the electrolyte, dilute sulfuric acid containing zinc sulfate acts as the electrolyte. Electricity pass பண்ணும்போது pure metal deposit in the cathode. Okay. So anode, cathode, electrolyte. Anode, cathode, anode what? Impure zinc rod. Cathode, pure zinc rod. What about the electrolyte? Dilute sulfuric acid containing zinc sulfate act as the electrolyte. Clear? ஈஸியா நாம வச்சுக்கலாம். இங்க சல்ஃபேட் இருக்கிறதால SO4 உள்ள ஆசிட் தான் வரும். So that sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid கலந்த zinc sulfate acts as the electrolyte. Clear? So what are the ores of zinc? Zinc blend, calamine, zincite. Zinc blend னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா Z10S, calamine Z10CO3 and zincite Z10O. என்னதான் மூணு ore இருந்தா கூட zinc is profitably extracted from only its sulfide ore, namely zinc blend Z10S. இப்போ நமக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும் சல்ஃபைடு ஓர் அப்படின்னா எந்த மெத்தட்ல எந்த முறையில இந்த ஓர் அடர்ப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது? நுரை மிதப்பு முறை, Froth flotation process. So the powdered ore is concentrated by Froth flotation process. After that roasting. இந்த அடர்ப்பிக்கப்பட்ட தாதுவானது காற்றின் முன்னிலையில் வறுக்கப்படுகிறது. Okay. During the roasting it becomes a zinc oxide. Zinc sulfide reacts with air. It gives zinc oxide in the presence of 1200 Kelvin. 1200 Kelvin. So during roasting, zinc sulfate becomes zinc oxide. Zinc sulfate becomes zinc oxide. நமக்கு zinc oxide தேவையில்லையே, நமக்கு தேவை zinc தான் தேவை. So you have to remove this oxygen. And the removal of oxygen process named as reduction reaction. Removal of oxygen nothing but what? Reduction reaction. So that this zinc oxide undergoes reduction reaction. Zinc oxide reduction with carbon, coke. It gives zinc and carbon monoxide. Reaction takes place at 1673 Kelvin. Okay. This reduction reaction takes place in the furnace at 1673 Kelvin. You will get zinc and carbon monoxide. It's not a pure zinc. So again you have to apply purification method, nothing but electrolytic refining method. Anode, cathode, electrolyte. Anode is impure metal. Impure zinc acts as the anode. Pure zinc acts as the cathode. Electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid containing zinc sulfate acts as electrolyte. அப்ப electricity pass பண்ணும்போது pure metal எங்க deposit ஆகும்? At cathode. Okay, very important simplest 5 mark question. Extraction of zinc. The what are physical property? Is a zinc is a bluish white metal. It's a very good conductor of heat and electricity. It is malleable and ductile. So what do you mean malleable and what do you mean ductility? What do you mean malleable? You can make like a thin sheet like chapati. What is the ductility nature? You can make it as a wire. Okay. So zinc is one of the metal, so that it have malleable and ductility character. Now we will discuss chemical properties of zinc. Chemical properties of zinc. First one is very important 3 mark question. What is a Plasafos wool? What is Plasafos wool? Zinc is heated with air at 773 Kelvin. It gives a white color substance like a wool. That's known as Plasafos wool. Zinc heat பண்றோம். The presence of air at 773 Kelvin அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது philosopher's wool பஞ்சு மாதிரி ஒரு ஒயிட் கலர் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது after that அப்படியே இலை மாதிரி படிஞ்சிருது that's known as what philosopher's wool very important 3 mark question philosopher's wool zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin it gives zinc oxide this is a white color substance okay பஞ்சு மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆயிட்டு அப்படி இலை மாதிரி படிஞ்சிருது that known as what philosopher's wool how to balance 2 oxygen so that 2 oxygen 2 zinc so that 2 zinc this is nothing but philosopher's wool so philosopher's wool அப்படின்னா zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin it gives white color substance namely zinc oxide this process named as philosopher's wool after that oxygen of water pure zinc does not react with water but impure zinc reacts with water it gives the respective oxide oxygen of water or with water so pure zinc does not react with zinc not react with pure water but impure water react it gives zinc oxide and hydrogen gas so that zinc reacts with impure water it gives zinc oxide and hydrogen gas it liberates hydrogen gas this self balanced equation is a zinc plus 4 zinc oxide plus H2 okay then oxygen of dilute acids all metals are reacts with acid it liberate hydrogen gas all metals are reacts with dilute acid it liberate hydrogen gas so here zinc also reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid it liberates hydrogen gas we will discuss the reaction oxygen with acids zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid it gives zinc chloride liberate hydrogen gas not only hydrochloric acid zinc reacts with sulfuric acid it gives zinc sulfate and liberate hydrogen gas okay how to balance now see here 2 chlorine but here only 1 chlorine so that 2 so 1 zinc 2 hydrogen atom 2 hydrogen 2 Cl 2 Cl this is self balanced equation so zinc is one of the metal so zinc reacts with dilute acids it liberates respective hydrogen gas zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid it gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas zinc reacts with sulfuric acid it gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas oxygen of corn sulfuric acid mean it liberate along with zinc sulfate SO2 also will remove with corn acids with corn H2SO4 studying about zinc or chemical properties okay so zinc react with concentrated sulfuric acid mean it gives zinc sulfate liberation of SO2 and water now how to balance only one zinc okay 2 hydrogen atom there are also 2 hydrogen atom one sulfur but oxygen here is 4 but that side is 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 7 oxygen so how to balance with the concentrated acids we can disturb only O so that if we put over 2 hydrogen become a 4 so here also 2 now think about oxygen 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 oxygen 2 4s are 8 oxygen but 2 sulfur is coming 1 plus 1 2 sulfur I think it's a balanced equation clear very same thing nitric acid zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid it liberates zinc nitrate and nitrous oxide and water. Zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid. It gives what? Zinc nitrate is a 10 NO3 twice along with N2O plus H2O. Zinc nitrate visited NO3 twice plus N2O nitrous oxide plus water. Very same thing. Zinc reacts with very dilute nitric acid. Very dilute nitric acid, what will happen? Zinc reacts with very dilute nitric acid means it gives zinc nitrate and ammonium nitrate formula NH4NO3 plus water. Okay, now how to balance this equation? Okay, here is 4 zinc, so that in the reactor say 4 zinc, product also 4 zinc, so that hydrogen will increase 4 nitrogen plus 2 6 is coming. No, 4 to 8 plus 10 nitrogen is coming, so that 10 nitrogen. Put 10 over here, 10 hydrogen, so that 5 hydrogen. You have to check it now. 4 zinc, 10 hydrogen, 5 to 10 hydrogen, 10 nitrogen, 8 plus 2 10 nitrogen, 30 oxygen, 24, 25, 30. Because 3 to the 6, 4 6 are 24 plus 21, 25 plus 5, 30. Very same thing, very dilute nitric acid also. You have to balance like this. Here is 4 zinc, 10 nitric acid. Here is 4. You put 4 over here. Already 4 hydrogens here, so that remain only 3 enough. See, 4 zinc, 10 hydrogen, 4 plus 6, 10 hydrogen, 10 nitrogen, 2, 4, 8 plus 2, 10 nitrogen, 30 oxygen, 4, 3 to 6, 4, 6 are 24, 27, 30 oxygen, balanced one. Then oxygen of alkali. Zinc reacts with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium zincate. Sodium zincate with alkali. What's the meaning of alkali? All metal oxides and metal hydroxides are known as base. In base, you are going to add some amount of water. Some bases are soluble in water, some bases are insoluble in water. All soluble water named as alkali. What is alkali? All metal oxide, metal hydroxides are known as base. In base, you are going to add some amount of water. That time, some bases are soluble in water, some bases are insoluble in water. All soluble bases are known as alkali. Insoluble bases are not insoluble or base only. So in that category, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are very good soluble bases. So that these are known as alkali. So NaOH, KOH, these are named as alkali. Now zinc reacts with hot concentrated NaOH. Zinc react with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide solution. You'll get sodium zincate formula Na2 is a 10 O2 plus hydrogen. It's very important equation. How to balance it? 2 sodium. Here is only 1 sodium. One so that 2. 1 zinc, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. It's named as what? Sodium zincate. Okay. So first phosphorus wool. Zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. It gives the one white color, white cloud. Vellaya form agum. Then after that leaf mari padiyum. That named as phosphorus wool. Zinc does not react with pure water, but it reacts with impure water. It gives zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. with dilute acids. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid. It gives zinc chloride and liberates hydrogen gas. Very same thing. Zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. It gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Zinc reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. So zinc reacts with con sulfuric acid. It gives zinc sulfate along with the sulfur dioxide and water molecule. Reacts with dilute acid. Zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid. It gives zinc nitrate and nitrous oxide and water. This nitrous oxide nothing but what? Laughing gas. This laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Zinc reacts with very dilute nitric acid. Very dilute nitric acid. It gives ammonium nitrate. First, zinc nitrate and ammonium nitrate and water molecule. What's the difference between dilute nitric acid and very dilute nitric acid? Nitric acid means first zinc nitrate, even very dilute also zinc nitrate. Here is nitrous oxide, here is ammonium nitrate. Dilute mean nitrous oxide, very dilute mean ammonium nitrate level. Okay, keep it in mind. With alkali, zinc reacts with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, you will get a sodium zincate is the product Na2ZnO2. Na2ZnO2. Then, so widely used in galvanizing iron sheet, one more question. This is used for galvanizing iron sheet. Which one is used? Zinc is used for galvanizing iron sheet. Used for extraction of gold and silver by the cyanide process. Zinc plate and rods are used in battery and dry cells. Zinc dust and granulated zinc are used in laboratory as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. First, how to extraction of zinc? What is C4? Zinc blend. Is it an yes? How to extract? Through froth flotation process. First, the concentration by froth flotation process. After that, roasting with air at 1200 Kelvin, its zinc blend become a zinc oxide. Reduction, zinc oxide with coke at 1673 Kelvin, you will get a pure zinc. It's not a pure zinc, you get zinc, it's an impure one. So again purification process, anode, cathode, electrolyte. Anode is a impure metal, cathode is a pure metal, electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid containing zinc sulfate acts as the electrolyte. Electricity pass பண்ணும்போது pure deposit in cathode. What is the Placer-Boas wool? Zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. You get a white cloud that named as Placer-Boas wool. Z10 plus O2 it gives at 773 Kelvin it gives 2Z10O. Nothing but Placer-Boas wool. Zinc reacts with hot concentrated NaOH. What's the product? Zinc reacts with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium zincate is the product. Sodium zincate formula Na2 Z10O2. That's not sodium zincate.